Good evening, guys. This is your friend Agniva. So, welcome to my channel Not Yet Decided. I am now in the hotel of the Bhoj company, which is opened recently in the Sector 5 branch of Salt Lake in Durga Puja 2020. So, I have tried two times in their BBD Bagh area. At that time it was very delicious. So now I will try today and how they will cook and what the taste is, any differences after the COVID 19 time are there. I will check and I will let you know how the food is. So बहुत भूख लगी है. Without wasting any time, let's get into the restaurant and let's show you the quantity, quality and taste of the food over here. So let's come in.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight.
It's so frustrating. I hate it, yeah. I probably shouldn't say this. I probably should erase it. I probably shouldn't say this. I wanna be with you. If that's the last thing that I could do, I wanna be with you. If that's the last thing that I could do, call me a fan. I'm living, give me your hand.
So guys, you have checked the ambience of the hotel. So now it's time to check the menu card of the hotel. So let's have a look.
কার কাছে নেবো না বাকি ওর কাছে নেবো না দেবো না কাউটানো বহুত ভালো করে দিচ্ছে
So guys, you have looked at the menu of the Bhoj company restaurant. So a special thing about this restaurant is that their menu contains the menu of both the Bengals, right? Because there are two parts of Bengal you have heard of. That is, one is the East Bengal, that is now Bangladesh, and one is the West Bengal, that is now Bengal, which is in India. So there are two, actually before independence they were the same parts. So there were culture of the East Bengal and the West Bengal both. So therefore these menu of the restaurant, this contains a particular mix and match of the West Bengal and the East Bengal both parts. So just I have shown you. So there are many interesting combinations and many interesting East Bengal cuisines and many interesting West Bengal cuisines also, and their combinations also. So that's why it makes it a more happening and makes it a more interesting menu. And it's also very unique and makes it also very different from other restaurants which don't have such type of mix and match combinations. Very few restaurants have such type of combinations. So it is a special part of this restaurant. So before when I went into the restaurants of the other branch, that is the BBD Bagh branch of the Esplanade. So that time also I noticed this thing, and this restaurant is very very special for this their East Bengal and West Bengal cuisines and their mix and match. So this is a very special thing about the restaurant. So guys, I have ordered one starter which is recommended here by one of our staffs, one of the staffs of Bhoj company. That is the fish cordon bleu, which is made up of the bhetki fish, which is very famous. It is totally boneless and it's a starter item. And just look at it, I have ordered it. So it kind of a fish roll type of thing. So I'll just give you the exact visual of this thing. So just let's have a look. So just look into it, guys. So this starter looks like this, the fish cordon bleu, which is made up of pure bhetki fish, which is boneless, and there is not much decoration, only simple decoration is there with some potato crisps and the fish item. So you have looked into it, so I am very very hungry, so I will just have a taste of it and will give you the review. So let's go. So guys, I have taken the fish starter in my plate and now I am gonna taste it and will give you the review. So I have taken sauce and the mustard sauce and tomato sauce in my plate. I don't know whether you are able to see this or not, so I will give you a good overview of my plate. So guys, my plate looks like this right now, and this is the tomato sauce, this is the mustard sauce. So this mustard sauce is actually this is the German mustard, not the American mustard. And especially what I know, that German mustard is basically more flavorful and more strong than the American mustard. And so this is called as the Daejeon mustard or something it is called as. Okay, so the American mustard is not that flavorful like German mustard. So especially in India, the German mustard seeds are grown, and that's why from the seeds this mustard sauce is prepared. So I am now gonna taste it, okay, and will give you the review. So guys, I'm now gonna taste it. So just look into the So I don't know whether the camera is doing justice or not, but this is looking absolutely delicious. It's too good. You can see, guys, there is melted cheese with fish is given inside it. Just have a look. See, there is melted cheese given inside the fish. Oh my god, this is looking very very delicious and tastes absolutely delicious also. Just take it with the mustard sauce and have a bite. Just look at it. I'm just spellbound by eating the starter. Too good. What's his name? Fish cordon bleu. Bhetki fish with melted cheese inside it. Looking nice and fantastic with this mustard sauce. So our main course will come immediately. So let's wait for the main course. Meanwhile, my lime soda has arrived. So I'll just get a sip of the lime soda. Nice and refreshing, cool. Very nice. Till now, absolutely good. I will rate this starter 9.5 out of 10. Very, very nice and must recommend it. Also, this lime soda is 9 out of 10. Very nice, refreshing. So let's go on into the main course. So guys, my main course has arrived and I have ordered the special dum pulao of the Bhoj company, and they have recommended again. So I'm hoping that it will be good. And I have heard of one very interesting dish over here, that is the murgi shile bata, means minced chicken, which is pasted in mortar pestle, and it is just pasted to just keema. So, and this is the with just roasted with masalas, and it will prepare the dish like that. So this is one murgi shile bata I have ordered, and half mutton kosha I have ordered, and one plate dum pulao I have ordered. So just let's have a look into the dishes. It is looking really delicious.
Streets empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step.
So see guys, I have taken all these things in my plate: murgi shile bata, dum pulao, and mutton kosha, means tuna mutton. So I will just try these things and let you know the review. This looks very delicious. So let's try. So guys, first I will try the dum pulao with murgi shile bata. So I'll just have a prayer before eating the food. So let's have it. Dum pulao with murgi shile bata or chicken shile bata. I'll have once more. Heavenly taste. I have never tried something like this before. The murgi shile bata, minced chicken paste sorted with some masalas. Tastes absolutely delicious. A1. Just melts in your mouth. Now let's try with the mutton kosha. The mutton is so tender, guys. Let's have a taste of it. God level. Absolutely God level. Let's look at the tenderness of the mutton, guys. Just look at it. So just see guys, the tenderness of the mutton. Just see it. You don't even need two hands. Just need one hand to tear it. It is very tender. So juicy. And with the gravy and pulao, it tastes amazing. It tastes amazing. Just see the tenderness of the mutton. See? So guys, this tastes really amazing. So I have taken it for my home as well. So it tastes so much good. It tastes so good that I have taken it at parcel. Told them to parcel for my home as well. These three dishes: the murgi shile bata, mutton kosha, as well as the dum pulao. And this fresh lime soda I've taken because to just clear the palate of mine. Actually, by eating these things, sometimes you feel some like you cannot have these anymore. So to clear the palate, it is very necessary to have a soft drink like lime soda or Blue Lagoon or Virgin Mojito, like that. So I've taken this. So without wasting time, I'm very hungry right now. So I'm having the dinner, and after having the dinner, I will get outside the hotel and I will give you the review of everything, price, quality. The quality I've already given, the price and all, everything I will give you, and the service, all the reviews I will give after having the dinner and after going outside. So let's enjoy. So guys, I have completed my dinner, and here the staff who helped me a lot about choosing the menu is Mr. नाम की
অরুণ নায়ক
Arun Nayak. So here is the guy. So hi Kordin.
Hi.
So he actually stays in Odisha in Bhubaneswar. His hometown is in Bhubaneswar, and he suggested me about the starter and about the main course, and his behavior is absolutely very good here. So if you guys come in this restaurant of Sector 5, the Voj company, please take service from him, and he is very good, and his service is also very good. So thank you Dada.
sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Also guys, it is worth to mention that this security guard, that is the Kaka, one of like here my uncle, so he also his behavior is also very good. His name is
ইজারুল হক শেখ
Ijarul Haq Sheikh. So very nice person this uncle is, and he helped me a lot about sanitizing and all everything. So these two staffs are really very good over here. So if you visit this restaurant in Sector 5, please do meet them, Mr. Ijarul Haq and Mr. Arun Nayak. So please do visit this restaurant, and their food is absolutely tasty, and their service is also very good. So let's meet outside. So guys, the dinner is completed. So this is the outside look of the restaurant, Voj company, you can see over here. And my total bill is 1689, which consists of 2 dum pulao, 1 half mutton kosha, 1 full mutton kosha, 2 chingri murgi shile bata, and 1 lime soda, 1 mineral water, and 1 bhetki blue Gordon starter, half. So this total cost actually 1689. So I have packed also for my family members, 4 of my family members. So basically around 1700, 1800 or maximum around 2000, 5 members can easily eat, like per head up to 350 to 400. So you can definitely visit this place, and it is not much costly, but they serve a very good quality of food. Okay, so please visit this place, and I will also give you the location link in the description. And also, if you like my video, this video, please do give it a thumbs up, and please do share it with your friends and family. And also please subscribe my channel. Sorry for the khasi. Please subscribe my channel for the latest video updates, and stay tuned with my channel Not Yet Decided. Bye bye, good night, Vande Mataram, Shubh Ratri.